Hey, Chris again from CJ's Organic Gardening and Landscape Design Consultation. As you can see, apparently one of Mother Nature's many boyfriends got a little too hot and bothered, and she cooled things off a bit. I'm thinking she's friends with Elsa. Happy spring from lovely upstate New York. Gonna do a little greenhouse work and figured I'd take you guys along today. Well, I found a few things that I'm not real happy with, but I should probably pay better attention and turn on the supplemental heat when it's as cold as it was yesterday. So I've had to prune back a couple tomatoes, and even my potato plant, which was touching the top of the greenhouse, got a little frost shock. But here's what we're looking at today. As you can see, the tomatoes got hit a little bit. Same thing with the potato plant. But everything else appears to be in pretty good shape. You've got some germination going on over here in the trays. They all need some water this morning, so I'm going to take a break from this camera for a minute and put some water on everything. Well, the propagation tank definitely looks a lot better than the greenhouse did this morning. That's why the funky light here, but take a quick look. It's a little better lighting over here so we can see what was in the propagation tank. Everything just got watered, so it's going to look a little limp, some of it is. And to be real honest, I still got a bunch more to pull out and take care of. So I'm going to get on with that. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all those lovely things social media tells you. I pulled the rest of the stuff out of the propagation.